Every day she carried 2 clay pots filled with water. One was flawless, the other had a crack. The perfect pot always brought back a full load, while the cracked one leaked along the way. One day, the cracked pot could no longer hold its sadness. It spoke to the woman, "I'm sorry, I'm not perfect. I can't carry as much water as the other pot. I'm broken. I'm useless." The woman smiled gently and said, "Have you ever noticed the flowers growing along the path you take every day?" The cracked pot looked puzzled. "What do you mean?" it asked. The woman explained, "I've known about your crack from the beginning. Every day as we walk back, you water the flowers beside the path. Without you, these flowers would never bloom." The cracked pot fell silent, realizing something it had never understood before. The woman continued, "Your imperfection is what makes this path beautiful. You may not be perfect, but you bring life in a way the other pot never could. We all have our cracks, our flaws, but sometimes those very imperfections are what make us special. What seems broken might actually be what brings beauty into the world."